Hello everyone, and welcome to our class. It's Professor Gray here, and this is freshman English class. And believe it or not, this is week number 1. We're actually starting today, and I'm going to give you an introduction. And I want you to watch the video and just prepare everything I say so we can begin in class in 2 weeks. As you know, we will begin on the 16th. Which is a Wednesday, and that will be our first in-class lecture. Okay, so today is technically week 1, which is an introduction. Next week on Wednesday, it's a national holiday, so we won't meet. It's Korean election day. We also won't meet on Thursday next week, and I'll explain that in a minute. So our first meeting is 2 weeks from tomorrow, March 16th at our regular class time. Now, I sent you an email yesterday with information telling you to look for today's video, and I'm sending you an email today with this video with a copy of your syllabus for the class. Today I'm going to go over the syllabus with you now and tell you what textbooks to buy, and then in 2 weeks, please bring the book and be ready for class at the university, on campus, finally. It seems we're going back to campus. Great. Okay, please look at the syllabus that I sent you. We have 2 textbooks. One is green, mine is very old. Teachers always have an old copy because they use it so much. Okay, University English for today. Green book, you can get it at the university bookstore, basement of our building, in the basement. The other one is our listening lab textbook, which is blue, Expanding Tactics for Listening. Okay, be careful. There are similar books available, but ours is blue. Okay, blue book. Please get these books anytime before our first class meeting. You have 2 weeks. That's plenty of time. You can buy them in the basement of our building on campus. If you have any trouble getting the book, please let me know, but really there should be no problem. Office, don't worry too much about my office. I just have hours by appointment, and we probably won't have office hours this semester because of the COVID situation. But if you need to talk to me, you can send me an email anytime, anytime at all, any day. If you have a serious question or an issue that you want to talk to me about. Course objective. The objective of this course is to give students an introduction to studying English at the university level. Okay, freshman English, first year. The main focus of the class will be readings from the textbook, the green book that I showed you, along with grammar and vocabulary. Speaking and listening skills will be practiced during the lab period. Speaking and listening is more the blue book. Okay, the Expanding Tactics for Listening. Tests, there will be 2 exams. Midterm exam, week 8 or week 9. I'll tell you later about the plan for that. Don't worry today about that, please. And the final exam, of course, at the end of the semester. There will be 1 lab test. Now, I might change this to 2 lab tests. If we stay in class, we might have 2 tests, but right now the plan is 1 lab test at the end, near the end of the semester. Final grades, you see 20% midterm, 40% is your final exam. Your lab test is 20%. Attendance and participation also very important, 20%. Students are expected to attend class regularly and be on time for class. If a student is absent from class, either lecture or lab, for a legitimate reason, that student must inform the instructor personally in order for the absence to be excused. All unexcused absences will count against the student's final class grade. So if you have an absence, you must tell me. If it's COVID related or family related or anything else, if you're sick, you have to go to the hospital, If you have a reason to miss class that's a good reason, just tell me. You can tell me in class, or you can send me an email and explain it. If it's a good reason, legitimate reason, then I will excuse your absence. There's no penalty. If there's no reason, then there's a penalty. You will lose points in your score. Being late for class 2 times counts as 1 absence. Don't be late. If you are more than 10 minutes late for a class, you will not be counted as present for that day. If you're 10 minutes late or more, you're absent. You're not there. You can still come to class, of course, but you are counted as absent. Don't be late. It's very important. More than 5 unexcused absences during the semester will result in a failing grade for the course. That's a university policy. I can't change that. If you miss 5 classes or more, you automatically fail. Please don't miss 5 classes or more. I don't like to fail students, so I don't want to fail you, so don't miss a lot of classes unless you have a good reason that you must tell me. Okay, look at the tests evaluations. Basically, your midterm and final account for 60% of your grade, your lab test and attendance, 40%. Generally, I'm allowed to give up to 40% A and 80% A and B. So it's possible your final grade could be an A level, but you only get a B or B plus. That's because the university has a rule. We can only give 40% of the students an A grade in a course. And all the courses for one professor are put together. So I have 5 freshman English classes. So of all 5 classes, 40% of the students of my classes can get an A. 80% of all class students of mine can get A and B combined. If you have questions about that, you can ask me in class in 2 weeks. I can try to explain more. Schedule. The class will meet, well, actually only 1 time per week. I'll explain that now. The 2-hour lecture class on Wednesday morning will be the only time we meet. I have decided, because of the COVID situation, that our listening lab class will be only online. Okay? We will only meet in class 1 time every week, every Wednesday morning. The Thursday class we will not meet, so do not go to our class any week on Thursday. Wednesday only, beginning March 16th. Thursday class, instead of meeting in class, I will send you a video every week of the listening lab. Okay? I'll send you must buy the textbook, listening lab textbook, and every week you must watch the video I send you and do the work. I will send you listening files so you can listen, do the work in the book, finish the work, and then you can email me when you finished your work with questions and so on. I'll explain this again more when we meet in 2 weeks. Okay, so we will meet every Wednesday morning starting on March 16th. We will have class on campus, focusing on the reading textbook, the green textbook. Thursdays we do not meet. Do not go tomorrow, Wednesday. Do not go Thursday to class. This is week 1 class now. Thursday's class, instead of meeting, I will send you a video and you can do the work from home or anywhere according to your schedule. Okay, I hope everything is clear to you. It's a little bit confusing. I understand that. Believe me, it's confusing for everybody. We've had a very difficult situation for 2 years, but we've all worked together to do our best, and it seems we're slowly getting better, getting away from this COVID situation. It's certainly not as serious as it was at the beginning, and we can all be very thankful for that. Fewer people seem to be getting seriously ill. But we still must be careful. So when we come to class, we must wear the masks, and we have to sit a little bit apart from each other. I'm not sure how it will go, but we will do our best, and we'll have a fun semester. I'm really happy to be back in the classroom. I don't like online teaching. I prefer to see you, see your face, talk to you, answer your questions, listen to you. So we will do our best, but we must be in class. Our class will be either all in class or it will be online. We're not going to do a hybrid. So we're going to start off with everybody coming to class and doing our best, and hopefully that will work. If there's any changes, I will tell you during the semester. Okay, so once again, tomorrow, Wednesday, don't come to class. Thursday, don't come to class. Next week, Wednesday, holiday. Don't come to class. Next week, Thursday, no class. 2 weeks from now, 2 weeks from tomorrow, March 16th, we will meet in class. It will be week 2, and we will begin studying. Your homework is very simple. When you come in 2 weeks, you must bring this book. Your homework is buy this book and buy this book. Bring this book on Wednesday, March 16th, and this book you will start doing through lecture video after we meet in 2 weeks. I hope that's understandable. It's a little confusing. You can play this video as many times as you want. That's one reason I sent you a video. It's a little bit easier for you, I think. If you have a question, email me. And good luck. Enjoy the holiday next week. Make sure to vote if you can. And I really look forward to seeing all of you in 2 weeks on campus in class. Talk to you soon, everyone. Have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.